I ordered a OnePlus Mystery Box, so let's find out what was in it. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So on the 5th of November, OnePlus announced that they were doing a pre-Black Friday kind of deal in which they were doing a mystery box. They were doing a mystery box for $9.99 plus shipping. So in the mystery box, they were going to put in a set of OnePlus buds as well as a mystery item. And those mystery items could have been anything from, let me just read the list here, a OnePlus Nord CE 5G 128GB, or a OnePlus Nord N10 5G, a OnePlus Warp Charge Type-C cable 1 meter, or a OnePlus FW20 duo pack of socks. As a bit of a tester, I thought, do you know what I'll do? I'll create 2 accounts on OnePlus, which I did, and I placed 2 separate orders on the 5th of November for the mystery box. See if there'd be any difference in the 2 mystery boxes. Needless to say, even though the 2 different accounts were set up in my name and my wife's name, they were for the same address, but they were ordered under different OnePlus accounts and they were under different names. Surprisingly, this is what I received from OnePlus, and both mystery boxes were in the same package. What's that about? Anyway, so I was looking forward to seeing what differences would be if I was to order 2 separate OnePlus boxes, because you'd only order 1 per account, so that's why I created 2 accounts. So inside we have our OnePlus buds in white. Fair enough, that was a part of the deal. And in one box we got a OnePlus USB-C cable. Fair enough. At the same time, these are a set of wireless earbuds and this is a good, decent USB-C cable. And for a tenner plus, it was about a $5 for the shipping. So 15 quid all in. I got a set of buds and a USB-C cable. Fair enough. So, what was in the other one, which was ordered under a completely separate account to the same address? Fair enough. But it was a completely different account and I paid shipping on that again. So I paid my $9.99 for the box and then my $4.99 shipping for the second OnePlus box, and yet it still came in the same packaging. Not cool, OnePlus. Not cool. So, of course, there was the buds. And what did I get as my other item? So did I get one of the Nord phones? Did I get the Nord CE 5G? Nope. Did I get the Nord N10 5G? Nope. Did I get the socks? Nope. I got another USB-C cable. What's that about? So yeah. So not only did they stiff me on 2 sets of shipping, they sent me the exact same thing twice. Now again, like I said, £15 for a set of earbuds, which are about what, 80 quid to buy new, I suppose. Isn't bad. And then a USB-C cable's not bad either, to be fair. You can never have enough USB-C cables. But I sort of expected to see if there a wee bit of variety, and even a pair of socks or something, maybe just to, oh yeah, well they've done it differently. But the fact that they did 2, even though I created 2 separate accounts and 2 separate orders, they shipped them all together in one order and charged me twice for shipping. What's that about? That's not cool. So these are the contents of my OnePlus mystery boxes. So yeah, I'll need to find a home for these. I just thought I'd do a little video, guys, on my experience and let you know just what exactly you can expect to get inside a mystery box. So I'm keen to know, has anybody else who's watching this video, did you order a OnePlus mystery box? And if you did, let me know down below, what did you get in the box? Because I'm intrigued to see if they sent out something more than USB-C cables. By all means, let me know down below. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button. Massively appreciate it. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It massively helps me out in the channel. And I really appreciate all your guys' support. And if you want to be notified of cool videos just like this, hit that bell. Until the next one, guys, I'll catch you later.